Welcome to today's cooking club. Today is May 15th. This is our very last cooking club of the school year, the 25-26 school year. I'm so excited. I'm glad that you have been able to tune in today. If you can see what I might spread out, today's cooking club meal is called picnic pasta salad. So this is going to be a perfect time where you can just join right in. If you need a pause, if you need to go get your ingredients, whatever you need to do, and have your spread out. I have my little picnic table here. I'm right here in the classroom today. However, because this is a pre-recorded session, you are able to come and join in anytime you like, just pressing pause, just clicking on the link, and being able to have this picnic pasta salad. The weather has changed, so if you decide to make this later on and take it out with your family on a nice picnic, wonderful. Here I have the ingredients. You'll need cooked pasta. Okay, so whatever pasta you like, I chose spaghetti noodles. Okay, but if you like rigatoni, macaroni, whatever type of noodle you like, make sure you follow the instructions on the back of the box. Okay, my pasta was cooked at home previously, so I brought it right on in here. The other key ingredient to our picnic pasta salad is grape uh, grape or cherry tomatoes. Okay, I have a container of grape tomatoes as well as my cucumbers, but I have my cucumbers pre-sliced right here, and you only need 1/4 cup. Show you this size, 1/4 cup of your tomatoes, 1/4 cup of sliced cucumbers. And because you should have watched that knife cutting safety video I sent, you should be well aware of how to cut your cucumbers, but make sure if you're cutting your cucumbers or cutting your tomatoes, you are doing it with an adult around for supervision to ensure that you do not hurt yourself in the kitchen. Okay, I actually cut mine with a plastic knife, so you're able to do that as well, and it will work. Okay, so if you're scared of the metal sharpness of an actual knife, you can always use a plastic cutlery. Okay, so this will be a pretty quick video because it's a salad, right? Everything is pretty quick. The only thing that took some time, take about 15 minutes of your time, is getting the pasta prepared and making sure the water's boiling and good and ready to go before you put your pasta in, and letting your pasta cool off before you mix your ingredients. And then the time, however long you want your salad to be in the refrigerator, because it does need time to chill. In my case, my vegetables and my pasta has already been cold. So I am going to make it here, eat with you, and then also put any leftovers in the fridge for other teachers and other educational staff that might be here today that would like to try what we came up with Cooking Club. As well, please drop a video or a picture of your complete pasta picnic salad when you get done, so I can share it with Warren Online and the other students and friends and staff that here, because they love to see what you created. All right, so let's get started. Part of the ingredients first is 1 cup of cooked pasta. Okay, I have definitely more than a cup of cooked pasta here. Because I don't have a sink near me, I'm going to use these chef gloves, and I'm going to grab a cup full of pasta. Okay. Now, again, this serves, they say it serves four. This to me, because it's spaghetti, looks like it will serve about one person, and it's just me, so that's fine. But your pasta based on who you're cooking for. Okay, so if your family is four, I would say times this recipe by four. If your family is a size two, then of course times it by two. And this is only if you use spaghetti. So you eye it based on who you're cooking for. Okay. So I'm going to put this 1 cup of pasta for the sake of the ingredients into my bowl. Okay. Now it says 1/4 cup pre-diced cucumbers. So I will take my 1/4 cup and I will put cucumbers, okay, and into the bowl. Now, 1/4 of the tomatoes. In my case, I did not cut the tomatoes in half, but you can choose to do so because, again, 1/4 whole tomatoes is really whole grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. It's really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7. Let's see if I can put more in there. 8. Yeah, about 9 tomatoes. Okay, show you what this looks like. Right now, it's just pasta, some cucumbers, and some tomatoes. Okay, now it requires 2 tablespoons of Italian dressing. I like the Italian dressing served at Olive Garden, so I went to the store and got Olive Garden named Italian dressing. You can choose whatever Italian dressing that you like or that your parents buy and have at home. Do not, if you already have cucumbers, tomatoes, and pasta and Italian dressing at home, you do not have to make a special trip. You can just cook what and use what you have already in your cupboard. Okay, so now I shake it up really well. And I'm going to use, because again, I'm at school, this is about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon. It might be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to do 3 to 4 of these for my sauce. 1, 2. If you have measuring, then just use the 2 tablespoons. But remember to multiply it by the serving size you need. Okay, so if it looks small, you can always increase it. If you like tomatoes, add more. If you like cucumbers or your family likes cucumbers, add more. No one said it could be, didn't have to be full of tomatoes and cucumbers, right? But this is the equal parts, 1 cup to 1/4 cup to 2 tablespoons. So anytime you do 2 or 3 cups, you have to times and multiply your ingredients by however many cups you use. So now that it's all together, combine the grapes, pasta, and veggies in a bowl and toss with the dressing. So this is me tossing. So you make sure that when you do this part, you use a bowl that has a lid, or you can even, I could have even used this bag, right? Because if we're on a picnic, I would love to be able to take my salad in a bag and carry it in a picnic bag. I'll show you how that would look. If I had a bag or basket, my salad all ready to go in a bag or container, right? This way I can put everything good to go, and it can be packed with a plate and some silverware and some plasticware, and I'll have my picnic blanket and I'll throw it out, right? So we do it that way. Or if I had a container, put it in my bag and just carry it with all my stuff in it, right? So now that I've tossed salad, I'm going to use my pasta spoon. Oh, this looks so good. I'm going to scoop some out. And see, this is exactly why I said you could probably make several servings. So all you have to do is multiply it, because this, if you use spaghetti anyway. And this is what it looks like. So yummy. Real simple picnic pasta. And I will come closer so you can get a closer look. Now, here goes. Mmm. Delicioso. This is so good. I almost want to say the best part for me, I'm going to have to make sure I make extra and put extra cucumbers, because the crunch from the cucumbers makes this so good. I can eat the Italian dressing with the cucumbers and tomatoes all by themselves. The pasta is just a nice addition. Mm. Thank you. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for being a part of this year's Warren Online Academy Cooking Club with Miss Smith. I have appreciated and loved every moment. Sorry I couldn't be with you live today, but stay tuned to next year, because we're going to do even more. I think we're going to do more with the oven. We're going to do more with cutting and making big feast. I'm really excited to see what next year brings us, next school year. But until then, enjoy cooking. I may send some great things over to you all throughout the summer, or you can just feel free to send me pictures of things you create throughout the summer. And I hope you have a wonderful summer and a wonderful end to the school year. Bye now.